Another Prius. It's that time of year again. These Priuses and the CT200s are gonna start losing coolant. You're gonna start having that early morning shake. You're gonna start getting the symptoms of a failed head gasket. Maybe it didn't happen all summer long because it was warmer, but now that the temperature is gonna start cooling down, you'll start noticing it. So basically, you hear that engine shake, and over time, you start seeing the coolant go down, then it's the head gasket. Don't waste your time doing other repairs. It's not gonna fix it. It's gonna be the head gasket. Same thing goes with the CT200 on these Lexus. Gotta get that factory head gasket out of there. Wanna get it done sooner than later, otherwise you're stuck replacing the engines. They also put in about 3 bottles of Blue Devil. Go ahead. Not solving the problem. This one is a 2012. We just finished this one today. It's topping off. We have to let the smoke clear out from the catalytic converter, but it's gonna be doing just fine.